Hey everyone, I'm in Santanes and you can see this is a CCP vehicle itself which has got stuck in its own mess. This is the digging that has happened earlier and it has not been covered properly. And if you can see right here, it's a total disaster. See the vehicle number? And if you can see a smart city. Now we know how smart it is. And this is a disaster not only here but everywhere. Everyone's vehicles are keeping on getting stuck and the whole stretch of this road right up towards even further than Don Bosco side when you're going from the church towards Panjim city also. The whole place is dug up. It's been a mess today. We've been caught in traffic. No planning, no traffic police, no one to guide traffic. Continuously vehicles are on. And this is a disaster. I don't know what else to say. But this is for you all to see. CCP itself is getting stuck in its own mess.